done with batch 3.
Keep the flow steady.
See the elasticity? It's just right.
Yes, the texture is exactly what we want.
How are the levels looking on the tablet?
We are currently at 80% capacity.
Watch the left side there, it's shifting.
Okay, adjusting now.
Smells perfect, doesn't it? Sure
Because
does.
it is. The crust development on rack 4 looks excellent.
Noted. The temperature profile seems spot on.
The color on this batch is perfect.
Yes, consistent across the line.
The rise looks perfect on this batch.
Yes, the texture is exactly right. Welcome to the factory.
We're baking the freshest bread right now.
We make sure every loaf is perfect before it leaves the factory.
Watch the edges on that one. Safe travels. We'll see you next week.
Bye. Drive safe.
The line is running smoothly at 90 units per minute. We should maintain this pace.
Keep an eye on the temperature gauge right there.
All right, I see it. These are perfect. Moving them to bagging now.
Is the temperature holding steady at 200 degrees?
Yes, the cooling cycle is stable now.
Great work, everyone. Safe travels to the team.
Route 6 is clear. All units proceed as scheduled. Unit 4, reroute to the northern sector. We have a priority shipment arriving at Dock 7. Ensure immediate transfer to the conveyor system.
Watch the turn here.
Got it. Keep going straight ahead.
Just a few more pallets to go, then we can set up the front display.
These baguettes look incredible. The customers are gonna love them.
Looks perfect, doesn't it?
Yes, the sourdough came out great today.
Should we try the Rurley or the Oracy today?
Let's go with the Oracy. It looks really good.
Look how fresh this one is.
It looks perfect. Let's get it.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Your sourdough is the best. Glad to hear it.
That's everything. Here are your 2 loaves, ma'am.
Thank you so much. They smell wonderful. Here are your bagels. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Look at this picture from yesterday. Oh, wow. Hey, this bread is amazing. I know, right?
If we highlight the subscribe feature on the sourdough, we could see a 20% boost.
That aligns with the current market trends.
Look at that! We finally got the Excellence Award.
Hard work pays off. Well done, team.
Yeah, we got the award. Well done, team. Absolutely perfect.